Hello everyone, Andrew here, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you 5 ways you can earn money online from the comfort of your home, and we are gonna do that just by using one and only one platform, my favorite one, which is LeadsLeap.com. And I already have several videos on LeadsLeap tutorial, how to use it, every feature, but today we're going to focus only on the make money part. Before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that like button, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. I'll reply as soon as I can. Without further ado, let's jump to my LeadsLeap account. There you go, and as you can see, I'm a pro member like I've always been, and I never intend to downgrade again. Let's jump right away to the make money part, which is under the money sub menu. And as you can see here, there are 5 ways you can earn money just by this platform. Let's jump into it. The first is daily active bonus. Now, all you have to do on a daily basis is surf at least 10 ads, and you will be automatically qualified for the daily active bonus. Now, if you can see here, yesterday I didn't click at least 10 ads, so I was not qualified, but a day before and the day before and so on, I clicked more than 10 ads and automatically I was qualified for the daily active bonus. As you can see, you don't earn a lot, but it's not nothing either, right? And it doesn't cost you anything to surf on 10 ads. Just click on one of these, wait until the ad loads. If it doesn't automatically, all you have to do is click here, another window will pop up, wait until this here says surfing initiated, surfing started actually, and there you go. All you have to do is click on 10 ads and you will be automatically qualified. Okay, let's jump into the second feature, which is a credit encashment. Now, the moment you have 50 credits or any amount rounded to 50, for example, if you have 162 and you want to encash, you will encash only 150. All right. Here are some info about credit encashment, and you can encash credits every one conversion for every 24 hours. The encash amount is your total credits rounded up to the nearest 50, as I explained. Encash credit can no longer be used for advertising, that's obvious. And the encash value varies daily. Also, the more credits you encash, the lesser the encash value per credit. Hence, we encourage you to encash as soon as you can, meaning the moment you reach 50 credits, you can encash. And today's 50 credits you can convert to $0.1, which is not much again, but it's not nothing either too, right? Let's jump to the third feature, which is my favorite one, co-op earnings, and this is a relatively new feature. And all you have to do is promote this unique link here, which is the same for everyone except for the username, which will be yours. So all you have to do is share this link to traffic exchange sites, safe lists, PPC programs if you use, and whenever someone clicks for at least 5 seconds, not only you will earn money, and as you can see here, total co-op earnings 162, but you will also earn advertising credits. Okay, so it's a win-win. The fourth feature, PPC earnings, also my favorite. Now, all you have to do, if you have a blog or website or landing pages, capture pages, all you have to do is get the PPC widget right here, code, and add it to your blog or website or wherever, and it will look just like this. Let me just jump to page manager and show you. The ads will look just like, I don't know, let's see here. Okay, there you go, just like this. And whenever a visitor clicks on it, you will earn advertising credits, also cash. Alright, and the more clicks you get, obviously the more cash and credits you will earn. And the fifth way to earn with LeadsLeap.com is affiliate commissions. Now, as a pro member, you will earn 50% of your direct referrals, level 1 upgrade or purchase. And as a free member you will earn 25%. So I encourage you to upgrade, not only for this reason, but because if you are a pro member you will have a lot of other features that you can use that will grow your business online. And literally LeadsLeap is the only platform that you need to grow your business online. Okay, so this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you don't have an account on LeadsLeap yet, make sure to create one, either as a free member or a pro member. And if you decide to go pro, I suggest you do it within 24 hours after creating your account, because you will have a discount for life. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also like the video, I really appreciate that. In the meantime, I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!